Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another shopping haul from Temu. Now, Temu is a huge website. They have thousands upon thousands of items available. Anything that you can think of, they probably have. Now, it is a discount website. If you sign up, you get coupons through text all the time. You get coupons when you log on, just like this one. This is an $86 order. I only got it for $38 because of a coupon. Now, they also have an affiliate and influencer program available for folks like me. So if you're an influencer and you do unboxings and things like that, you can get some really good deals. So let's go ahead and see what I got this time. So let me tell you, they really tape these up when they put them together. They tape them up tight. So we're just going to tear into this and see what I got. Wow, everything I got is in here? Okay. Wow, okay. So the first thing I got, which I thought was pretty cool, and I want to put over here somewhere, this is a moving sandscape. This is called Moving Sandscapes, and it has the sand that moves around as you flip it and stuff. And I think I got the blue one. So let's see what it looks like. How do I get in here? I got this for $12.68. The base fell out of it. You just slip it right in there. Oh, it's packaged well. Look at that. And then when I take the top off, that's what it looks like. Wow, okay. So here it is. And then you just flip it over. That's kind of cool, huh? I think these types of things are really, really pretty. So yeah, I got that. They have tons of these available. They have ones that light up. They have ones that are already mounted. But I wanted to just get this one. I thought this one was really pretty. Looks like water, doesn't it? Okay, moving on. Oh, I suppose I should show it to you in the base. So that's what it would look like in the base. Looks very classy. I love it. Okay, let's put this one down. The next thing is these faux emerald earrings. I got these for $5.98. I have an emerald heart. That is my granddaughter's birthstone, and I thought it would be nice to have some earrings that matched. And I like these. These are a nice size. They're not too big. Here we go. Some cute emerald earrings that will go with that heart. Yeah, I think these are nice. Very simple, kind of dressy. $5.98. You can't go wrong. This is something you wouldn't think of getting, but I saw it, and that made me get it. That's hours of scrolling. You come across things. So if you can see inside, it has brushes. So it has this is a softer brush, and this one is more coarse. This is for nail drill bits. So when you go get your nails done, they use those drills and it has the bits on the end like this. These nail bits get really dirty, and I thought, see, you just keep it on the drill and then you run it, and it's supposed to clean your drill bit in there. Whoop! So that's what I got that for. I hope it works. So pretty cool. And it looks like, let's see, you just pop this off to empty any dust. And I got this for $1.97. They do have colors available. Okay, so those have to be lined up. There we go. So I'm very curious about this. I hope it works. I'm pretty sure it will. It usually does. The next item is this little tiny thing. This is a privacy smear confidential kind of thing. So that, you know, as I'm filming, sometimes I notice that I've shown my address on the bottom of the box or something. So this helps with that. It also helps, like, just throwing things away if you don't have a shredder. You can use something like this to cover up your address. These plastic bags drive me absolutely insane. So here we go. Okay, the lid just pops right off, and there is the thing. And let's use the bottom of this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm happy to get that. That'll be very helpful for me, so people don't find out where I live. The next thing are these binoculars. They're for sports, bird watching, auto racing, horse racing, and for travel. Look how small they are. Now, I got these for $8.99. We have deer that come into our pasture. We have 5 acres out in the country, and I think they know my house is a safe zone because wow, that's small. They're constantly in my backyard, and they're so beautiful. And I just want to take a look at them. And, ooh, oh, it comes with a cleaning cloth. And here they are. These are 500 times 25. Don't know what that means. I have no clue. Comes with a little string, and then you open it. There's no caps or anything on the lenses, so I think that's why this case comes in handy. And here is your focus. Well, it seems like they're going to work just fine. I'm like right in front of my window, so I can't see anything. But yeah, I'm happy to get those so that I can, it folds up way out here, and then you can fold it back and keep it in your little case to protect the lenses. Deer watching is in my future. Now, the last thing I got, let me get it out of here. This is a 26 color tie-dye kit. Now, I did get this for $16.98, and look at all of those colors you get. I have a sweater, or just like a jacket, sweater, athletic kind of jacket that has some spots on it. And no matter what trick I try, I can't get the spots out. So I thought it would be fun to do a little tie-dye kit, a little tie-dye project. And it does give you some ideas on how to fold them for different looks. Now, I plan on looking on YouTube for my inspiration. Oh my goodness, we even have more looks available in there. And it does give you instructions on how to do it, which I'm going to need. So let's see what's inside the kit. So it looks like I have plastic bags, or is this like a tarp type thing? Kind of looks like a tarp kind of thing to protect the surface that you're going to be doing it on. I don't know what these are at all. What are they? Are these gloves? They might be gloves. So each one comes in this little bag. Let's see what it is. These are gloves. Good. I have gloves, but oh, okay, so there's a pair of gloves in each little package. Nice. Okay. So I know what these are now. It looks like we get 2 of these little tarp things. Some gloves. Oh, good. Package of rubber bands. We're going to need those. Comes with a little funnel for mixing. Oh, we even have some pigment in here if we want to mix up colors, you know, like make a blue look a little bit more green or something. So we've got that. Oh, okay. So these are all the colors. So you basically dump the powder out into one of these. So this one says dark green, so you would put the dark green one in here. Okay, wait. This has pigment in it. So this is the dark green. Like I said to begin with, these are if you want to mix it and change the color just a little bit. And here are all of my colors. Isn't this amazing? Here's orange, sky blue. It's nice that they actually have the color and the name on it. That's kind of cool. So that is what I got from Temu this time. What will it be next time? Stay tuned. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.